Dear colleagues, join me on Wednesday, the 26th of May, at the European meeting on HIV and hepatitis. We will discuss an important topic, the impact of the C-19 crisis in people with HIV. We will focus on the direct health impacts. However, we will be aware that many people with HIV are experiencing significant threats to their physical and mental health, to their well-being, to their economic security as a result of secondary health impacts, for example, those resulting from the disruption of HIV prevention and treatment services. And also, we will be aware of the fact that many people with HIV are exposed to the risks of socioeconomic disparities. Please join me on Wednesday, the 26th of May.